part 2 of
Hello
trying to beat
guys,
this
and in
game.
today's video we are playing Keep Climbing. I am an OG for some reason. I have the OG badge, I have the OG hat, and I have the early badge. Okay.
Yeah,
No, that's not a badge. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, but I have level 2.
I'm at level 1.
So wait. So GT money.
Alright. Just
I'm gonna teach you how to get to
don't
level
teach
2.
me. Just don't
And
teach
I'm
me.
on.
Don't teach me. I just want to see if I can do it, and you could see if I could do it and play along
And
with me.
I have to beat level 2.
I think this is it.
I need to beat level 2.
Yeah, this is definitely it. Ooh, parkour.
This is not the end of
Okay.
the level, because you still have to go in some cave. And also, the cave glitch is still here.
No! Woo! That was close. I almost
And also,
died.
the cave glitch is still here.
What caves glitch are you talking about?
The average monkey said that there was a cave glitch, and it's somehow still here. Okay, so follow me.
No.
Remember,
I want to figure out level 1 of myself.
Do you want to know what the white thing is?
What?
It looks like 8 because you're far, but when I get closer, it's like another land.
Oh.
And you have to go in the cave.
Oh, look.
No!
Look.
Here.
It's water. Wait, what?
Yeah.
What cave glitch are you talking about?
Oh, it's the glitch where you don't die in that goo. Look, there's a slash climbing, I think, in slash horror.
Oh, this is easy.
Yeah. Level 1's very easy. Level 2 is really hard for new players.
Well, I play Gorilla Tag, so I don't know how to do this. And
Yeah,
it's a grab.
Don't know thing?
Easy.
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 It's gonna be so hard because it's so long. It is so long that I might fall off because you got too tired of it.
Why? Is it a chase? Huh?
No, it's so long. It's like a climbing frame where you always climb everywhere, and you have to keep on doing it until you get to the top, which is really big. And then they just go in that hole.
Okay, I made it to the other island.
Oh, so I did not go in. Oh, we did not go into the wrong way like I did. Okay, you're at level 2 now.
Come on. Hurry. Phew, at least the bridge didn't.
No.
Did you fall?
Come over here.
Why are you screaming, bro? The viewers. POV you.
Press this and then go press yes.
Unlock this level in the teleport room here. This button will transfer you back to the screen.
Go back to main, and then you have that level.
Alright, let's go to levels.
And then you see level 2.
Ooh.
Okay, now, I don't think that's so bad.
You want to know what you are? You want to know what you are? POV you when you were screaming, you're just watching the tablet in the bus. And then... viewers, you know what that meme is, right? It's all over YouTube. Well, used to be. Do these fall?
No. But now it's gonna be harder because I always fall at these kind of parts. No.
Oh no! This can't be. A pinch climbing part? No. Oh, I did it already. Ooh, cave! I'm inside a little cave, and I have to jump. This gigantic jump. Oh, I made it. I was so close to dying. I almost died.
Me too, I also died.
Okay, where do we go now? Where do we go now?
mom's basement?
No. I cannot do that. I'm just gonna skip up here. No effect. I skipped.
Oh.
I didn't. I wasn't. I didn't. I have to do a long. Oh no.
You actually skipped that. Without falling.
Yes. You. I did it.
Oh, good job, you pro.
Pro. I'm no pro.
I'm already. I just died at this part. When I was over here, I died.
How? It's pretty easy.
Yes, you have to do that. No, you actually slipped there.
Bob was here. I don't care.
Did he secretly play Monkey Deluxe?
Bob does not play Monkey Deluxe.
Yeah, but did Average Monkey did not make a video of Monkey Deluxe, but he secretly played it?
I don't know.
Oh, found gold! Gold!
Man, I wish more people would watch more famous YouTubers would play Monkey Deluxe. That would be nice. I'm over at this very horrible bouncing part. I mean, not bouncing, but like
here?
balancing.
I died right at this part.
Come on! Let's go!
And I'm really close.
Oh no, there's a boulder. There's a boulder. It's chasing me down.
Where do you go?
There's a boulder blocking me. So now I'm up here and I'm safe from it. Hi, I'm up here.
Oh, how do you do this?
It's pretty easy. Is this finally the end of this level? Nope, I have to make the most giant jump ever. Even though it's just the second level. Nope, it's not that giant. Never mind. Oh, I just made it! I almost fell. I just made it. Oh, I'm at level 3 now.
Wait for me.
Here, I will. No, I'm at level 3. I can't believe I made it. Buddy.
This is so easy. As you go, you can actually get...
Where are you? You're almost at the top. You're almost at the top. I'll tell you that. You're here. You're there. This is level 3. This is level 3. Now you just have to make that jump to this tree or to the ground. To the snowy ground, at least. See, you get... Oh! No!
Whoa! Why didn't you help me? I need help. Again. Oh! Whoa! What?
Okay, come over here. Come over here.
Thank
Let's
you!
save it.
Thank you!
Save it. I already did that, though.
Well, Average Mommy did a good idea. If it would take like another hour or 2 hours trying to get back up, and it's Monkey saved everyone.
Oh, I hear you, even though you're at spawn.
There and back. Okay, roll free the dump Mika.
Ah!
Over.
How do we get through this?
I see Punk. I see Punk, your mom.
Slippery surfaces? No, I can't do that. No, please save me. Phew. I do not want any more of those ice things to appear again. Please.
Oh, there's like bed things that look like beds stuff. Even though they're ice.
Oh no! Another slide? You can't be kidding. You have to be kidding. Another slide? Dang it. And I'm not
now
making it through
that
this
is the
slide.
hardest slide to get.
I have to restart now.
Aven's monkey's friend.
Oh,
was kind of fun dying.
and I did not make it. How is that possible?
No, Daddy.
Yeah, and how am I not making it? Yo, how do you get through that? Like what? I don't understand this sliding part. I've been able to go through it many.
Look, I'm not modding, but when it's supposed to be slippery, I'm not slippery.
I know, but you have to. You have to get launched to that very small platform. Okay, now I must not fall. Now I can. No! Phew!
That's so weird. Where even are you?
At the very beginning. Hey, buddy, can you wait for me?
We're finally at level 3, and yes, I finally got to. Wait! You should find cosmetics.
We are not going to find cosmetics.
Yeah, but
yes, I made it! Now where? Phew. Oh, no, I am not doing that.
Yes! Phew.
I made it up. Oh, no. I cannot go on this bouncing beam. This is not true. How close am I? I'm pretty close. Whoa! Oh my god, I almost fell. I hate this. I hate this.
Well, guys, if I get to 80 likes on this video,
I do not like this.
then
Whoo! I made it! I made it! I made it onto this. The jump! Yeah!
I get to 80 likes.
Phew!
If I beat this level, and then when I get to level 4, I'll do another.
Dude, this is crazy.
So, bye guys.
Oh my god! It's a hole! Oh my... Dude, this is so dark. I don't know where I'm going.
Bye guys.
Hey guys! Hey! Guess what? NM or Green VR?
Over there. There's no way I could do that.
Green VR, I'm inside the cave of level 3. After
How'd you get there?
after the balancing beam.
How? There's no way.
There is actually a way.
How? Huh?
You just do it. You just keep looking at the ground.
Oh, I just skipped some part.
Jeez, this is a pretty hard game. Okay. Yo, I'm almost there. I'm almost at the next level.
No, no,
Oh no, another giant jump.
no.
Wait, no, this isn't giant. I could just do that. And I'll make it.
Oh my god.
That was easy. No, I'm almost.
So,
Ah! I'm there!
if I get help,
No, another balancing beam! I have to go through another balancing beam to get there. Why is there always this huge gap between islands? I'm almost there. Come on. Don't let your guard down.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Yes, I made it. I made it to level 4.
I'm trying to get there, but for me it's too hard.
Oh, it is?
Yeah,
Dang.
I need help.
Well, I can't get off of this. I'm sorry.
Why?
Because I'm making a video.
Then a video's more important than anything.
Oh my god. Oh no. I hate this. Ah! Oh my god, I actually did it. That was so close. I think I might actually beat the game.
I really want to get there.
You will. You just gotta keep practicing. Practice makes better, and no, it does not make perfect. Nobody's perfect. Can I just wall run all the way up there? No, I'm not that good.
You have to go through more levels when the updates come. I finally beat the game for now.
So basically, there's only 5 levels now, but they're gonna add more.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I think I know what level 5 will be.
Whoa, there's 5 levels.
I think I know what level 5 will be.
What?
I think it will be like a wall with a bunch of parkour, like Average Monkey's videos of it.
Yeah, I don't think level 5 is actually sand. Because I know that.
No, level 4 sand. I'm in level 4 and it's sandy.
Oh. Oh, no. Trying to get through, but it always does that.
Dude, I'm almost there. I'm almost at level 5. I'm almost gonna beat the game.
Yes.
For now, at least. Was this even supposed... Where I was supposed to go? Where the heck am I supposed to be going? And what's that very odd sand? Quicksand? Nah, not quicksand.
Yes. I'm at.
Oh, shoot. We have to go through that mountain. Or do I go over there? I'll check over there first. Oh, no. You go down here.
I'm at the Belgian
Nope, this is
guy.
just a secret. And I got... What's this? What the heck? This just leads me to, like, the void. I'll just see what it is.
No. Why did it have to do that?
Now I'm falling. Hopefully this water's safe.
Why?
No! The water wasn't safe.
Can you give me a new controller? I need a new controller.
Alright, let's get down. No.
Daddy, give me a new battery.
You.
Why? Please? There's like some my other controller's dead.
No. Nah!
I have a problem.
I'm so horrible at this.
I gotta do it.
I'm just gonna jump for the leap.
Do it.
Ah!
You're gonna do it.
I'm gonna keep jumping to the leap until
Are you
when
gonna
I'm
do
done
it
with something.
or now?
Yes! Yeah, I skipped.
I need. Why wouldn't you just do it?
How you doing over there?
This one, that's on the floor.
Oh my god, I'm almost at the end. No, I'm not. I'm actually at the start of level 4. You know, you want to know something, Green VR? I was very surprised you were in front of me in level 3 for the most part.
No, I fell. Come on.
Come on.
Why did this?
Come on, make it. Come on, hurry up.
Why did this control have to be bad?
Now I've got to make it all the way to there or all the way to there.
I really need help. And guys, what? One of you, please help.
I'll just check this mountain first. I'll do the old parkour on this one before I go to there. No, I'll go there first before there. Because I don't trust that. I don't trust the mountain. I trust going this way. Because the next land is there. And that doesn't even look like it's going forward. Yeah, this is definitely the way.
Talking and trying to concentrate.
But I have to talk for the viewers.
Please.
Alright, guys. Hopefully you could hear me whisper. Okay, so... Wow. What is this? Like, what is this? Like, what? Is this a jail cell? Find 3 buttons. No. I can't get... I am not finding 3 buttons. Dude, I just started this game. Why? Oh, whatever. Oh, just go around it. No, I could just bitch climb up. Oh, yeah, I can.
How is it?
I'm skipping.
There's no way that.
I'm skipping.
There's no way. There's no way that. There's no.
Dude, I skipped the entire level.
This is just ice.
I literally just skipped almost everything in this level. Why is it doing a barrier? Why is there a barrier?
Save that point.
What the heck? Do I actually have to go here and find 3 buttons? No, I can't do that. Where are these buttons?
Okay. I might just wanna do something which make it not concentrate.
I don't know where these buttons are. I'll just go in there. This is a very open world.
No. No. Oh my god. Safe all because of that. Why can't there just be checkpoints in this game?
I know. Checkpoints would be nice.
Yes. And better to add. Because who just wants to keep on dying?
And restarting.
Yeah. Who was... Maybe one of the viewers will say that. It's too annoying.
I'm used to grabs checkpoints a lot. Which is a problem for my skills in keep climbing. Because it doesn't have checkpoints. Come on. I'm almost up. Yes, I'm up. Now what? Why did I just press a Oh, that's the first button. You think one of the buttons is over there? I found the first one. Yep, yeah, that's the other button. That has to be. There's no way the other button isn't here. It's just can't be true if it's not here. Wow, is it really not here? Here, let's go on this first.
Where do you go?
I'm at level 4, finding 3 buttons.
How do you do? I don't understand. I don't understand mod parts because
Oh.
it's so dark in that room.
Dang it, I did not know that cactus were actually like that. I did not know that cactus hurt you. Now I have to restart the entire level from the ground up. Yeah, there are definitely a lot of issues with this game, especially the checkpoint issue.
But games that just come out, would you expect no glitches?
I never said I wouldn't. Come on, let's make it. Guys, I think I might actually end it here. I'll think about it. Because I cannot just get through this level. I really can't.
Oh my god, this is like the restarting game. This should be something to add. There should be a settings.
Yeah, this should be way easier to find the buttons at all. It should be much easier. It really should. Ooh, this could be one of them. Nope.
But again,
This game isn't too good.
Oh my god,
I like it, but it's not too good.
The dumbest thing. What?
Oh, first button.
So dumb ways to try to get this game. There are weird ways and goofy dumb ways. Goofy dumb ways.
Now I know where this button is.
What?
Ooh, what's that?
You know that there should be glitches in games.
What is this crack? Oh, it's nothing. I can't believe Average Monkey made it a game with no brain rot. Like, that's crazy. I don't like brain rot, but I'm surprised he didn't add it.
Yeah, there might be brain rot cosmetics. What? What?
Hold on. There.
This is a so dumb way. Try to be this.
I think it's over there.
Glitching dumb. Everything dumb. Yeah.
Okay, raging on a video. That's cool.
Just joking.
Ooh, early. I am early. Oh, I see the last button. I think I might see it. I think I see the last button. I think I know where it is. I think I see the last button. I think I know where it is. Where's the button? Now what? Like, where would the button be over here? Why would it be over here? Ooh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, you've got to climb down. Oh, you've got to climb down here. Okay. Oh, God. No. Cactus I have to keep dodging? Alright, I made it. Let's go. How am I supposed to make it over there? Oh, just like that. No. Alright, now what? Do I just... Yikes. I see. You're trying to go over there.
Hello, I'm really close to, well,
Trust me, level 4 is the hardest one. I couldn't get out of it yet. I'm not even out of level 4, but I'm close. And now I'm just parkouring on lava, hoping that I don't die.
Yes! I got level 4.
Because I don't want to restart this. Oh, shoot. We have to make it. I think I'm at level 5. Who knows if I'm at level 5? Only time will tell. Because I'm at a lava place inside a ginormous cave. Oh, I've got to make it over there. Why did it have to just flicker? Oh, it's flickering.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stop making my video.
Okay, I'm keeping making my video.
I stopped at level 4 because I wanted to do it right away.
Keep trying level 4 without the video. Whoo! That was a close one. That was the last button. Let's go. Okay, can you not be around me, please? I don't want to hit you and fall into the abyss. Alright. No, this is very nerve-wracking. What is that? What the heck is that? Do you see that? Like, what is that? Like, what is that? Okay, yeah, this game would definitely kill you in real life if someone bet you $20 if you beat the game in one sitting without dying. Yeah, then you would have a heart attack. Just like Mario Kart. And I totally didn't get that from Daniel Cow Drawings. Oh! Come on, I'm gonna beat it. I'm gonna make it to level 5. I'm gonna make it. I know I will. But there's always that giant gap that could stop me. Which is the most nerve-wracking thing about each level. The gap between one island to another. Okay, I'm just gonna go back. I have to hurry up and get back. Because I am not, oh no, not the cactus part again. Okay, how do I get through this? I do not know how I will. I will. Yes! I made it through the cactus part. Whew! Oh my god. I didn't know I would actually be at level 4. I'm about to beat level 4. I found all 3 buttons, so I'm about to beat level 4. You know, this is just crazy. No! No! I have to restart! Hold on, let's see if it hopefully saves my buttons, because I do not want to do that again. If I have to do it again, then I will end this video. Ay. My controller doesn't have any strips, so I can't grab onto it. Skip. Yes! Okay. Please hope it saves my buttons. Please. Please save my buttons. Please. Please. Dang it. I do not like that there are cactus in this game. Because cactus is always the thing that kills me. And in the other levels, it's nothing. This is just too much. Let's hope I can make it. I hope I had no clip. I wish I had no clip mod so I could get through level 4 easier. Yep, it's saved. It's saved. Let's go. I see it. It's saved. Let's go. It's saved. It's saved. Thank goodness it's saved. Oh my god, that was that. Phew. At least it's saved. So I do not have to restart. No. Another balancing thing? Again? Always at the end. It's not that big. I must not cough while on this. I must not close my eyes while doing this. I must keep control of balancing beam. Yes! Level 5! Level 5! I made it! I have all levels! For now. I have every level. Beware, Big Tim? Is this horror? Is this horror? Oh no. This is horror. Dude, I can't see a single thing. I guess we will. I can't find my way anywhere. Okay, I made it to another one. Now, down here. Down here. Ooh, I do not like that. Dude, I am not liking this. Come on. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. And